Before we start with the actual review, let me give you a brief introduction about the company EZVIZ. It is a multinational company that was started in 2013 from China, and now it mainly focuses on IoT devices, cloud storage, and AI technology. But the company is mainly known worldwide for its popular smart security devices available at an affordable cost. Today I have two of their popular security cameras with me. They are C3N and C6N. The pricing and availability in Nepal will be given in the description of this video, so let's get started then. You get the smart camera, some paperwork, quick start guide, base plate, plastic anchors, and mounting screws with the respective camera boxes. What C3N has extra is the drill template and waterproof Ethernet port cover. C3N and C6N run with their provided 12-watt and 5-watt power adapter respectively. C3N is a camera made for outdoor use, whereas C6N is a camera meant for indoor use to keep tracks of pets or children. Thus, you can see that C3N has better build with IP67 certification. It also has dual external antennas for better connection. Or you can opt for the Ethernet port available on both cameras to directly connect with your router. You can easily mount both cameras on any wall using their respective base plate and given screws and anchors. Both cameras support MicroSD card up to 256 GB for storage. You can also use EZVIZ's cloud service if you'd like, but you'll have to pay for it. For C3N, the MicroSD card slot is hidden behind a cover plate that requires a Phillips driver to open it. The reset button lies on the cover plate. For C6N, it is a little tricky. You have to rotate the camera ball all the way up to spot the microSD card slot and its reset button. C3N has a bulb-like design with a singular viewpoint, whereas C6N nearly has a 360-degree field of view. To be precise, 55-degree vertical rotation and 340-degree horizontal. C3N has two bright LED bulbs and two IR sensors around its camera module, whereas C6N only has two IR sensors. Both have a status light to indicate their condition. Both cameras support up to Full HD video at 30 fps, but C3N, that is this camera, uses H.265 video compression, making it better in terms of bandwidth and file size. Now it's time to actually connect and use your camera. Since these are not standalone, you'll need to connect your smartphone or your PC with the camera on the same network via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. EZVIZ app is available for iOS and Android, whereas EZVIZ Studio is available for PC. I will be using my smartphone and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection for today's review because, well, this is the most convenient way. Keep in mind that 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection isn't supported. You can easily make an EZVIZ account using Facebook or Google Sign-in. After that, scan the QR code that can be found on the camera itself or its user guide and connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Also, don't forget to take note of the device verification code, which is right beside the QR code because you will need it in the future. The configuration should take around 15 seconds and is quite simple. As I was close to my router, I didn't notice any connection issues during my usage. Now let us do a quick tour of the EZVIZ app first. Now I'll show you what the C6N camera can do. Press here to pause the live feed. As you can see, the latency isn't that high. Since the security camera has inbuilt microphone, you can press here to turn the audio relay to your smartphone on or off. You have to maximize your phone's volume to hear things properly, as the microphone is very less sensitive. Then there's snapshot to take pictures and record for video recording into the SD card. You can also use your smartphone to pan tilt the camera in the desired direction. From the pan tilt option, you can also take a 360-degree picture, and enable auto tracking to follow any kind of movement during live feed. I was quite impressed with the motion tracking AI, which is fast and precise. Press the speak button to speak into your smartphone and relay it to the security camera speaker. Hello?
Hello?
Mic testing?
Mic testing?
Mic
Mic
testing.
testing? Mic testing? Mic testing?
Definition refers to the video quality. Keep it at the maximum unless you have bad connection. Moving on to settings, you can enable or disable the audio picked up by the security camera. Leave the status light on unless you want to hide your camera. Leave the IR light on for better nighttime video quality and motion tracking. Turning on the alarm notification will send a message prompt to your smartphone as long as there's human detection in the live feed. You will keep getting motion detection alarm messages if you don't schedule anything, even if the subject in the live feed is stationary, which can be annoying. The best part is being able to choose the detection area for the motion tracking AI to focus on. It's best to set the sensitivity to the highest. Finally, if you don't want to scare anyone, keep the tone to soft or silent. Here's how the intense tone sounds. Now to change the Wi-Fi network, you'll have to reset the device using the physical reset button on the camera itself. With this option, all the captured images are encrypted and you can change the password for it. If you want privacy from your camera, turn on sleep mode or just turn off the device's main power source. I didn't find much use of the advanced image settings. Some useful things that I just explained can be found on the user guide with great pictorial presentation. Read it if you are ever confused about anything. A final thing to note is that you can only connect your smart camera to one EZVIZ account at a time. You have to hit delete device on your existing account before using another. Now it's time for a quick stroll of the C3N cameras app and its functions. You can probably notice it on first glance. It has much better camera quality and low light performance when compared to C6N. Almost all functions are similar to C6N except for active defense, which flashes 2 bright LED bulbs for 60 seconds. It may chase the intruder away or make him face the camera directly with sudden surprise. Another major difference is in the microphone quality of the C3N. It also has better range for pickup. Here's a test from it.
Hello?
Mic testing.
Hello? Mic testing? Mic testing? Mic testing?
There isn't much difference in the settings as well, except for alarm notification and night vision mode. As you can see, C3N can track both image change and human safe detection. Turn on detection marking to show a red rectangle around the human being tracked. Turning on light flashing reminder automatically does what active defense did before with the help of AI detection. There are 3 color modes for night, but I'm sure that most of you will be using the smart night vision mode. The live feed will switch to color from black and white as soon as motion is detected. I had quite fun with it. The motion detection works great up to 30 feet distance, making it great for outdoor use. EZVIZ has done a great job with both of these cameras and I had almost zero issues with it. It may also be because I am new to security camera reviews, so let me know if I made any mistake or forgot to add anything. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.